Hi and welcome back to your on-site fitness center. Today I would like to talk about one of our Precor leg machines. This is our leg extension and leg curl machine, and just like the last time we talked about Precor, put nice little stickers on our front or side of the machine that will show you the perfect position that you should be in to perform those exercises, and also the muscle groups that we're working while performing these exercises. If you recall from our last video, we got orange and yellow knobs and pins, and anything that you see in a bright color like this is something you can adjust to your body. So make sure that you sit perfectly so that you have full range of motion at your knee joint, and that the cushions are placed on your leg without pinching. All right. So let's just adjust these handles for just a second. Before I hop in, I want to make sure that the back rest of the seat is not too far forward and not too far back. Like I said before, you want to make sure that you can perform a full range of motion movement here in your leg curls or leg extensions. Once I adjusted the back seat with an orange or yellow lever, I let it back a little bit to place myself in that perfect position on the seat. One of the levers will allow you to switch from leg curl to leg extension. And you can also adjust how far the cushions are away. If you have longer legs, you want to adjust this one a little bit further out. Make sure that you start at a light weight. If you've never used this machine before, start light and you can always add some weight. Then try that full range of motion movement in your leg extensions or leg curls. You've got handles to hold on to. Make sure that you keep checking on that sticker and you're all set. If you have any other questions about your leg extension machine or any other Precor equipment, ask your PM. Your program manager will be able to help you and set you up perfectly. Have fun, be safe, and enjoy your on-site fitness.